Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter, and in this video I would like to answer a question I've got a few times recently. Which quick release is compatible with my mod? So there's loads of them on eBay, and the prices can vary from £8 to even up to 15. So which one of these should you buy? And the short answer is just get the cheapest, really. As far as I can tell, they are all the same. I bought the ones I'm using, I bought from like several different sellers, and as long as it looks as the one that I'm holding in my hand, it will do just fine. But that said, they are not identical. So even when buying from the same supplier, there are some minor variances in the size of these parts, and it's very rare that you get a perfect fit out of the box. And this is why I include the additional spacers so that you can counteract the manufacturer's inconsistency. So each unit that you buy should include the following items. So the base mount, then the wheel mount, 6 M5 screws, and you will need these because they are used to mount the wheelbase adapter, and finally a wrench. That is just rubbish, so throw it away. You will only need one of these base mounts for the mod, but you need a separate wheel mount for each Thrusmaster add-on wheel. And unfortunately, I did not find the wheel mounts sold separately anywhere, so it seems like the only option is to buy the whole set for each wheel, unfortunately. So now the only thing you need to do is to remove these plastic cups from the quick release, and you're ready to go. Alright, that's it for this quick video. Let me know if you have any additional questions, and have a great rest of the day. Bye!